Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so an update on Hive. If I zoom out a little bit more, so you can see that this cycle didn't do much. We had a potential wave 1, and then this is just an A, a B, and a very long and exhausting C wave. There are many positive fundamentals on this company, but the only thing is that we're missing another lower low that would make it. We do also have potentially this 5 wave down, just missing the 5th wave here. We can also have a very light, shallow, or truncated even a 5th wave. Truncated is when something happened, market just doesn't allow the stock or the chart to actually make a lower low to finalize a clear and nice structure. That could be anything. So if this was the 4th wave, we had the potential A, B. You can see that here this very long-term downtrend really act as a resistance, and so we have a possible A, a possible B, and now working possibly onto this C wave. Because this B wave was kind of high, we can look for the $2.03 level, or the $1.66 level, or the $1.73 $1.73. Those are Canadian dollars, and this area could be really a nice area where the price could find support. If we go lower, then I know this is going to be crazy. High below $1 at 97 cents would be the next possible support, and after that we're going to have 71 cents. Now, do I have a more bullish count? Some of my friends, they ask me, how can you be always bearish? Well, just I don't see any bullishness. Sorry about that. Can I try to see something? I mean, yes, I can, but it didn't act as it was supposed to. If it was very bullish at this reattempt here, retest. So this could have been, yes, an A, a B, and a C for a possible wave 1 maybe, and this could have been an A, B, C for a wave 2. But now, okay, fine. 3rd wave, sure. Diagonal, okay. So this is the A, this is the B, and now we need to have a skyrocketing C wave. Now, does it matter if I call that a 3rd wave or just a C wave? Well, a more bullish count, we need 5 way up, right? So that's how I see it now. So this would be the C wave of the C wave. Even more bullish, it would be the 3rd wave, but I mean, it's possible, but it's a little bit off sync of the rest of the market. But once again, sometimes some stocks, they just don't move because their life cycle, their stock cycle is not mature yet. I do believe many people will show up for this level here. So in fact, I'm going to put, I think on my Discord I didn't put my my accumulation levels for Hive, so I'm going to update it later this week or today. So this is really the area where I'm looking forward to accumulate more. I did sold them, I don't remember when, honestly. Yeah, so I find here risk ratio, it's way better than hoping to buy here and a break hoping for a breakout, right? This is going to be a very strong support. In fact, let me go and check the VRVP, what it looks like. You can see that where we are now, or near about, but how come is this? Let's go check the settings. Grow value. So we do have a little bit of volume here, but actually, you can see that the volume is really here where people really trade it. So $2.72 could be an area where price could stop. 262, 272, somewhere like that. This is based on VRVP. And then after that, well, for sure, we need to have a general overview of all the indicators, the structure, and then after that we see where we are comfortable to get in, because at the end of the day we have all different risk management or risk volatility. Can you sleep well if you buy at $2 and maybe you believe that is not going to recover, right? So this is really personal. Once again, I'm just sharing my opinion. I just share with whoever want to listen what I'm doing on the Discord channel, which is free. I just update when I do any trading, buying, selling. I'm not that active, so if you're looking for a Discord channel that has a message every day, that's not it. I try to trade less trades, but just the one that are worth it, in my opinion. I'm not a day trader. I'm not really, swing trader, but more, not every week or every 2-3 weeks. Only when I find the risk ratio it's really, really worth it. To me, trading to do 10% is not my thing. I rather trade less, but just finding spot that can make 50% and more, or 30%. For me, 30% gain is the minimum. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.